You may have noticed some recent changes to the project list screen in both CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus. By popular request, the first round of file management changes has now been implemented. This allows you to create folders and subfolders to better organize your projects. Let's have a look. The first thing you'll notice is that there is a new Add Folder button here. Clicking this will add a new folder to the base directory and allow you to provide a folder name. Press Enter once you've finished to save. If you have a folder selected, you'll see that you now have an option to add a subfolder beneath this. You can add as many subfolders as you need to organize your files. There's also a Rename button here that works on both folders and project files. You can also access this via the F2 shortcut key. This Delete button, or pressing the Delete key, will send any selected files or folders to the deleted project screen. Once you've set up your folder structure, you can drag and drop projects into the new folders. You can select multiple projects at once by either holding down Ctrl and left clicking to add individual projects to the selected list, or Shift and left click to select a group of projects. You can drag and drop all the selected files into a new folder. You can also drag and drop folders into other folders, but you currently need to click the folder first to select it before dragging. To move a subfolder back to the base directory, drag and drop it onto the title header at the top of the list. It's currently not possible to shift select projects that are already in a folder, but this is something we plan to address in a future update. We've also added some new fields to the project list screen. You'll now be able to see when the project was last accessed and who it was accessed by, as well as who created the project and when it was created. In a future update, we're planning to allow you to sort your project list in order of when it was last accessed or who it was accessed by, as well as the default that sorts by project title in alphabetical order. Lastly, there's a new Save As option in the project drop-down list here that allows you to create a duplicate of the selected project, say if you wanted to change a few parameters and then rerun your calculation. Just enter in a new title for the project and hit the Create button. We hope you enjoy the new features brought to you in this update. When you're next in the app, please hit the Submit Feedback button and let us know your thoughts on the update, or any other features that you would like to see in the future. That's all for this video. Be sure to check out our growing library of tutorial videos on our channel and subscribe to stay updated on when new videos are released. Bye for now.